Hey guys, today's video is on this mask. It is the Double Dare Age Freeze Gel Mask. I never can remember this name of this mask, but this mask is honestly it's one of the best masks that I know to firm and soften my face. So I really wanted to demonstrate it on YouTube today for you guys. And I'm just gonna go over some pinpoints about this, but first, be sure to subscribe to the button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like this, and also leave a comment down below what you want to see next, what you want me to review, what makeup looks you want to see, anything like that. Be sure to follow me on any social media that I might have listed down below, and some might pop up on the screen every now and then, so yeah, definitely follow me on those. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys so much. We're almost to 700 subscribers. I know it's not too awful much, but that's a lot to me. Honestly, I never thought I could be doing this because I didn't talk when I was little. So if you want me to do a video on that, my dog just came in here by herself and she's never did that before. But if you want me to do a video on that, just let me know and I will talk with you about it. I'm gonna have to write stuff down because I go blank about it. But just let me know if you want a video on that. But let's just get into this video because my skin really needs this mask right now. But here's the packaging. Very sleek, very simple, very honestly fingerprint prone, but I don't really care about that when it comes to skincare. And it says Double Dare, and it says Double Dare Age-Free Gel Mask. And on the back, it has all of the ingredients and what they do and the instructions. So as a price point, this is kind of pricey. It is $42. So definitely an investment for some people, because $42 is a lot of money for me. Not even gonna lie. So yeah. And it says on the website, the new age-free gel mask is supercharged with 5 extraordinary oriental plants: Jeju cactus, tiger centella, gold root, tiger root, and green tea to freeze the aging process and to lift and firm the skin instantly. The luxurious mask with powerful botanicals will promote anti-aging, anti-wrinkling, brightening, and detoxify the skin. Age Freeze Gel Mask will smooth, soften, and improve the skin tone, reducing signs of aging, including fine lines and wrinkles. Stop fighting back against aging. Age-free gel mask will turn back the clock and freeze the aging process and gravity to achieve smoother, radiant, more youthful looking skin. So here's my skin. You can see I have a lot of dry patches, like these right here are very dry patches. I have a lot of discoloration. I have a sunburn, which is causing dry skin. I have very deep pores. I have just, my skin is terrible right now, and my lips are so chapped, so I might put this on like the bottom of my lip because God, my lip is so dry. I'm not even gonna lie, it's just like right here. And it says squeeze a quarter size amount of the gel mask onto the face evenly. Leave mask until completely dried. Use lukewarm water and massage mask as it melts with the water for extra absorption. Wash thoroughly and pat dry with a towel. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out just a little bit so you can see my forehead. So, ooh, not in, out. So the texture is actually like very gel-like. Oh, there it goes. It was kind of, but it's white. It's so weird. It's the weirdest texture. I remember trying this with my little sister and I was like, whoa. But we're just gonna smooth some onto our skin. And honestly, I really like this mask because I can use such a thin layer, and honestly, it goes on so evenly and so good. And it smells so good, you guys. Like, whew, it smells delicious. And I like this mask because it's clear, honestly. A little bit more. You do need like 4 or 5 pumps of it, to be honest, because it's it sticks to whatever you apply it to. It doesn't, like, a little does not go a long way. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that is something this mask does not do. You can see it drying already, so you have to work quick with this mask. But let me just put some on my bottom lip Just use whatever is left over on my hand. And this mask is so tight that I'm not going to be able to talk afterwards. So I'm just going to leave it until it dries, which is about 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like dry. And then because I'm not going to be able to talk right because it's going to get so tight, and like it's like one of those zombie masks, to be honest. It gets so tight that it really lifts your skin. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's dry. Come back after I wash it off and talk about how my skin feels and let you see how it looks and everything. Okay, you guys, so it dried. For like to show you how tight it is on my face. I'm gonna move my face around and just show you how much it crinkles. Like, it kind of hurts a little bit, but not too much. You see that? Look at all that. It literally, like, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna turn the exposure down just a little bit so you guys can really see it. Like, look at that. Let's go a little bit darker. Look at that, you guys. Oh, that's a little bit too dark. You guys, that's crazy. Like, it dried in about 5 minutes, to be honest. So, yeah, but it's like, it's very tight. Like, you can see how tight it is. Like, but I'm gonna go wash this off so you can see what my face looks like close up and personal. So my face feels a lot more, it just feels so soft, and it looks a little bit brighter, not as dull. And I really like my hair color, guys. But it's not as dull as it was, definitely, and it's a lot more smoother. My under eyes, I put a little bit under my under eyes, and I really like massaged it in there whenever I washed my face, and they look so much more. Okay, so here is my fresh face. I feel like I have a hair on my face. Probably do, because my dog's hair be everywhere. But here's my face. My skin looks so much smoother as well. It doesn't look as crusty, especially on my nose because that sunburn that I got and that tan. But my dry spots are still dry. Some moisturizer will take care of that. My bottom lip is definitely smoother. Like, it feels way more hydrated, to be honest, and it looks so much better than what it was before. So yeah, I really love this mask, you guys. Like, if you are like starting to age, or if you just have like, you know, fine lines that you want to get rid of, this right here is how you get rid of them, to be honest. Like, gosh, I love that mask. So let me zoom you guys out so I can say goodbye. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to share that with you and do a little demo with a mask because I haven't in so long, to be honest. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just looking over here to make sure I'm focused. I'm still learning this camera, and I got a mic on, boy. So we learning. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you leave this channel, and I will see you in my next video.